Welcome to Lingua Latina Tutorials with Mr. K. This is Chapter 31, Lesson 1, Exercises. Here we have practice in Exercise 1 with the indefinite relative pronoun quidam, quaidam, and quodam. This is translated as a certain one, a certain masculine thing, a certain feminine thing, and a certain neuter thing. Notice that it declines just like qui, quai, quad, except for here in the accusative singular. You have quindam instead of quemdam, and in the feminine, quandam instead of quamdam. But other than those changes, and in the genitive plural, you have to get the same N form here. You get, instead of quorum dam, you get quorundam, quarundam, and quorundam again. Besides those changes, you'll find that it declines just like qui, quai, quad. So let's try this here in the exercise. In blank urbe Asiae vivebat rex blank. And we want in a certain city. In a certain city of Asia, there lived a certain king. And here we want the feminine form because herbs is a feminine noun. So in here, quadam urbe, and we want here the nominative singular masculine because it goes with rex. There lived a quidam king. Blank insula graeca ab Icaro appellata esse dicitur. We want here a certain island, a certain Greek island, is said to have been named by Icarus, or gotten its name from Icarus, because when he fell in the water. So a certain island, feminine, nominative singular, quaidam insula. And then Graeci putant blank insulam ab Icaro appellatum esse. The Greeks think that a certain island got its name from Icarus. Here we want the accusative singular with insulam, feminine, but instead of quamdam, like I said, look over here and you see that the M turns to an N, so you get quandam. Let's move on to exercise number 2. Exercitium secundum Cornelius cui mala blank est nomen medio oblitus est. From the story, we remember that Cornelius, to whom there is a bad memory, whose memory is bad, and the word for that was memoria, forgot the name of Medus. Oblitus est is one of those deponent verbs, so it looks passive but it's active. Homo blank nihil magis blank quam divitias. So here we want a greedy person, a greedy man, and we learned a new word for that, avarus. Think of avarice, greed. He wants nothing more than riches. And we learned another word for desires here, which was optat. And blanca rege tactum erat in aura mutabur. And so the word there is one of our indefinite pronouns, whatever. Whatever was touched, whatever had been touched by the king was changed into gold. And that word, quid or quick quid. Okay, work through the rest of those and let's go on to our question and answer. De quibus rebus est sermo convivarum. So what is the conversation of the diners about? About what things? Well, non solum de cibo et potione, sed etiam de rebus urbanis sermo convivarum est. So it's not only about food and drink, but about city things. Convivae colloquuntur de fuga medi et de poenis servorum. Very different answer, but like I said, the answer we gave is correct, but this answer is also correct, and you could give this answer as practice. That the diners talk about the flight of Medus and about the punishment of slaves.